Can't spend another day like this. Sick of saving